Yeah, whole ass nigga ain't nothing but a cheerleader. In the hood doing donuts in the two-seater. No pat down in the clothes like two-heater. Take a nigga soul on the motherfucking corn rip. I ain't going back and forth with the little bitty beat. No, they call me Pit Lotto, so I pop bitch. Get her knocked out, checking hoes out the hit list. 30 bitches deep and they out with the shit.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a soft glam makeup look, and first I want to start off with some skincare. First I'm going to take my TEAMI Blends Detox Mask and apply that to my face. I have already washed my face with the Biore Charcoal Cleanser. This mask is great for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. That's what I have. I have not noticed any major breakouts after using this mask, and that is one thing I'm scared of when it comes to using new skincare products. But this one, I have nothing but good things to say about it. Well, first, I love that I can use this mask either as a full face thing, or I can use it as a spot treatment for when I'm just having a simple breakout, you know, after a long day working with the kids or wearing makeup. Sometimes I need that good detox feeling for my skin, and this is exactly what this mask gives. Oh, okay, yeah, okay, yeah, get it, girl, boom, hey. So clearly this mask has put me in my happy place, and I love it. This mask is made with matcha green tea and lemongrass. It is cruelty free and vegan. Let's get back to the mask. So this mask is made with organic ingredients. It has no harsh chemicals. So of course that is a plus when it comes to putting things on our face. I do love that when it dries, it gives me that tight feeling. I don't know, for some reason for me, if a mask does not dry and give me that tight feeling, I feel like it's not working. So I went in with a warm wash rag to take the mask off. You can take it off by using running water if you like to, but this is how I decided to do it. I absolutely love the cooling feeling it also gives me as it's drying. I almost forgot to mention that. That cooling feeling is everything. Next, I'm going to go in with my toner. This is the Neutrogena Clear Pore Astringent, and I take it on a cotton pad and just run over my face with it. And right after, I like to go in with my Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Moisturizer. Lord, I feel like this mask has brought my skin back to life, honey. I absolutely love how my skin is looking. If you're interested in purchasing this mask, I'm going to leave my discount code on the screen as well as in the description. Thank you so much, TEAMI Blends, for sponsoring this video. Let's get into these brows, honey. I'm going in with the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse to fill them in. The concealer I decided to use to clean up my brows is the Crayon Case Highlighter Concealer in the shade number 9. And I am running out, and I'm so sad because it's my favorite concealer at the moment. But we squeezed what we could up out of that tube, girl. And we are cleaning up those brows. Next, I'm going in with my favorite beauty sponge, the best beauty sponge on the market, the Shopmissa Pawpaw Beauty Sponge. If you're still spending $20 on a beauty sponge, can't relate. If you're still spending $5 on the beauty sponge, girl, you're tripping. The best beauty sponge on the planet right now is only $1.88. Girl, you better get you some. So I wanted to use some new makeup in this video, so I'm going with the Pure Festival palette. I believe I got this in a BoxyCharm. I wanted to go in with that first nude shade called Photo Op in my crease. Next, I went in with that darker brown shade called On Set to darken my crease up a little bit, and I also decided to put this color right on my lid. Next, I decided to go in with a champagne gold color called Pure Bliss. I put this right in my inner corner to brighten things up a little bit. To prime my face, I went in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I have been loving this primer so far. It is really good. Really, really good. And right after that, I went in with the Milani Priming Shield, I believe it's called. Yeah, Prime Shield, the mattifying one, just to put on the rest of my face. And for foundation, of course, my favorite, the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 385. After foundation, I'll go in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 15. You guys do not be like me and be heavy-handed with this concealer. I completely forgot how much you need. You need very, very little, and I went in a little too hard. The shade is already lighter than my skin tone, so I had a rough time blending it out, but I got it together. Next, I went in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. I specifically chose this shade to bring a little more color back to my face after that concealer. And then after, I went in with my Collab Kill the Shine Pressed Powder in the shade Cocoa just to set the rest of my face. I picked up this new bronzer from Morphe. This is the Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Trailblazer. I was looking at it because it looked like it may be a little too light for me, and I couldn't tell if you guys could see that it was going on or not. But I ended up going in with the CoverFx Face Perfector palette to go in with that darker bronzer shade that I love, just to give my face a little more depth. I also took that brown shade from the CoverFx palette to snatch my nose really quickly. And right after, I went in with that Wet n Wild Banana Powder just to set the size of my nose and give me that more snatched look. I love doing this when it comes to contouring my nose. So next, I went in with those same two brown colors from the eyeshadow palette and put it on my lower lash line just to bring the eye look together. All right, time for my favorite part of the whole entire makeup routine. I'm going in with my loose highlighter from my business. This is my glow powder in the shade Cinnamon Water. This is my favorite shade of the three. Just showing you guys that you only need a little bit for a full face. Look at that glow, honey. Absolutely love this highlighter. Absolutely love this highlighter. If you did not hear me the first time, girl, get you some. They are only $12 on my site, shopwithshotney.com. After highlighting, I went in with my Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Spray just to bring this entire look together. Now it's time for some lashes. I'm going in with my lashes from my business in the style Bribery from my Money Heist lash collection. And I went in and applied the AOA Studio Super Strip Lash Adhesive from Shopmissa, and it is only $1. Y'all, I have heard so many good things about this lash glue. I have seen so many people rave about it, so I finally decided to pick it up, and I can't say it's bomb. Okay? Only $1? Stop playing. Of course, we got to hit those lower lashes with some mascara, and I just picked up any mascara out of my drawer. I really don't discriminate when it comes to mascara, so yeah. Next, we're going in with yet another Shopmissa product. Y'all, they get a lot of love from me. But this is the Artista eyeliner pen in the shade black. I used it to put my beauty mark back. And then I went in with the Morphe Out in a Pout little beauty lip kit thing. And it's in the shade Caramel Nude. It comes with a lip pencil in the shade Trendsetter, lip gloss in the shade Chill, and a lipstick in the shade Boo. So after using the lip liner and the lipstick, I noticed that this was a very cool nude lip color. So I wanted to go in with a little more pink. I went in with the Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Diva to bring me some color back to my lips. And this is the final look, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for what I have coming up next. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Wanna put your all in, I can picture you ballin', drop top screen fallin'. I remember you calling, I remember you calling. You was calling my name out last night, the bed springs falling. Getting wet like raindrops, eating making that pain stop.